Today we're going to talk about how you can promote or market your business here on YouTube, because YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and of course, video is king, baby. What's up, freelancers? It's me, Geline from freelancerweb.com, and on this channel I help moms earn money from home and help you scale your business and personal brand through YouTube marketing. Like I said, YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and that's next to Google. Yeah, currently it has 1.8 billion active users. So if it's eyeballs that you are looking for, there's definitely a lot of that here on YouTube. And to be honest, I don't know if you know this, but there are a lot of YouTube content creators that are making full-time income, you guys, and even more than what they were earning in their 9-to-5 jobs before. And I'm not just talking about, you know, the YouTube ad revenue, but other income streams that you can potentially get once you are making YouTube videos. And yeah, so needless to say, you can actually make a career out of this too. Yeah. Anyway, personally, I use this platform as a way that I can passively market my freelancing business. And I say passively because I don't really get on here and tell people, hey, you hire my services or whatnot. Yeah, I never said that in any of my videos, but they hire me. Strategy is going to save you time and resources when you're putting together your videos. And I know that you will agree with this, business owners. Strategy will also give you the most ROI in your business. Here are 3 content strategies that you can implement. This kind of content strategy allows your audience to think of you as an authority in your industry or in your niche, and in turn it gives you credibility and makes them trust you a little bit more. In the sales industry, there's this thing that we call, or the method that we call ABC, or always be closing open and close parenthesis sales. Because I used to be in the sales industry as well. I used to be a sales manager for a car company here in the Philippines, and I wasn't a fan of that method, and I'm more of the ABV girl, which means always bring value type of girl. And the ABV, which is always bring value, is what has been working for me so well and so far in my freelancing business. Like I said, I have never mentioned, or I have never put a CTA or call to action in any of my videos that you guys have, you guys hire my services. But like I said, you do. And that's just because I put out content that bring value to your lives, content that helps you in your business. Maybe you're someone who is struggling to make it on YouTube, or maybe you need help with your marketing, or maybe you're a mom who wants to earn money from home. So just because of that, just because of doing all these videos, and just because of the genuine and the authentic need or dire need for me to help someone, because it's really my passion to do that, in return, people see me as an authority, people see me as a credible person, and because of that, they trust me a little bit more, and because of that, they want to work with me. So that's why I think that this kind of content strategy is really, really good compared to just, the salesy, pitchy, ABC, or always be closing type of sales method. And this type of content strategy, you can just do it like, an advisory type of video, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm just here, talking head, giving you value and giving you tips. Okay, so these are type of videos that basically how it sounds like. It's your customers or your clients talking about their experience with using your product or hiring your services. So let's just say it happens to be that this person is also a YouTube content creator, and this person also made a video raving about your product or raving about hiring your services. then what you can do is you reach out to this person, to this client of yours or your customer of yours, and ask for permission if you can use that content, and also use that into your own content marketing strategy. If that's not possible yet, then you can probably ask some of your customers or your clients to make a video, just a short video, telling other people about their experiences on your product or your hiring your services. And if you want to be a little bit more fancy about it, you can invite customers or your clients. You go on to a location shoot and you just ask them a bunch of questions about their experiences with your products and services, or hiring your services, and then you just make it into your own video. So think of it as your very own product or service testimonials or reviews, where people nowadays are very into it. Share a little bit about my personal story about this. Recently I had a staycation, just an overnight staycation at this hotel in Metro Manila. It was just last week, I think. Yeah, it was just last week, and it took me 2 hours, guys. It took me 2 hours to decide on what hotel to book, because within the 2 hours I was scrounging around the internet trying to find. I had my options. I would probably say I had 3 options, and then I was trying to decide between the 3, and then I spent those 2 hours just looking up reviews on each of the hotels that were on my options. So until basically it went down to just the top the top hotel for me, at least when it comes to the budget, to my needs as somebody who wants to enjoy their stay in a hotel. So like I said, it is very important that your brand, your company, or your business has this not tutorials, but testimonials or reviews on the internet. Whatever product or service that you're making, you have to make a video about how to use them, or what will be their benefit for them if they hire your services. I think that is a no-brainer. Also, in this type of content strategy, this will give you an opportunity to optimize your content. And what I mean by this is that, you guys, video is 53 times more likely to show up as the first result when you type, or when you try to Google something, or let's say when you Google a brand or whatever. So the first thing that you will see that will pop on there is a YouTube video, as compared to links that only contain text or photos on them. So what does it mean for your brand? It means that it will be your video content strategy that will put up, or that will be seen first. And just like any normal person will do on this planet, we will click on the first thing that we see first, right? Especially if it's a video, because like I said, video is king right now, and people are into watching videos, and it's more entertaining, I guess, if we see a video rather than to read something. Hey guys, I'd really love to hear if you're using YouTube to promote or market your business. Please let me know. Just comment below. As always, you guys, I am so thankful and appreciate you for being here and for always watching my videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.